So this Bank of America loan program, the Community Affordable Loan Solution, has had a lot of people up in arms and causing a lot of ruckus. Ruckus. I sound like my grandmother. But in this video, we are going to go over the main reasons I hear people downplaying or discouraging people from taking part in this program. Let's get into them. Now, if you're not sure which program I'm talking about, I did a full complete breakdown in this video right here. So please be sure to check that out. But the reasons people are vehemently against it are about 4 or 5 that I commonly hear. I want to list all of them and then go over them individually in detail and see if the people have a valid reason or if they're just haters. So the reasons are people are adamantly against this program is number 1, redlining. Number 2, they think it's 2008 all over again. The third reason I hear is that because this one makes no sense to me, but we're going to go in depth regarding all of them. They say, well, I had to suffer. I had to pinch my monies together and save up for a down payment, so they should have to do the same. The fourth reason I hear people against this program is because I hear them saying that this is reverse racism. Now stick around because we're going to touch on every single one of those and address them. But before we go on, do me a huge favor, hit that like button and consider subscribing to the channel. Now let's get into it. The first reason people are totally against this program is because of redlining, and I totally get it. In my original video, I told you that that was my main concern when I first heard about the program and looked at it. But then once I dove into it, a lot of people that are vehemently against this program haven't dug into the particulars of the program or even see where these homes are being offered. I was able to see where these homes are being offered, at least in the greater Charlotte area. And after seeing it, I am more comfortable with this program because homes that qualify for this program are all around Charlotte and surrounding. Many people hear this program and think the homes have to be in the hood. And as somebody that has grown up in the hood, I can tell you that for the majority of the homes that qualify for this program, at least in the greater Charlotte area, are not in the hood. So by the technical definition, would this qualify as redlining, meaning they will only loan homes in certain areas? Yes, but this is no different from the other programs that exist from both Bank of America and other big lenders. In fact, let's jump on a computer right now. This program is offered in a community called Bearwick, which is in Still Creek. It's southwest Charlotte, and it's a community that I lived in for a handful of years, and I have no problem moving back to. And this is just one of many communities in the Charlotte area that this program qualifies for. So I urge anyone that is just writing off this program because they believe the homes would be in the hood and be redlining in that sense. I tell you to give it a second look, actually see what homes qualify for this program, and then let's talk. Now let's move on and look at reason number 2 of why people have total disdain for this program. And that is, they say this is 2008 all over again. And to you, I say, yes, this lessens loan standards or lending guidelines or requirements and allowing more people to get approved for a home loan. But is this 2008 all over again? I don't think so. Because in 2008, you had these ninja loans, no income, no verification type loans. You just had to state your income and nobody verified that. And there were a lot of ARMs, adjustable rate mortgages. In this instance, as far as I'm aware, when I talked to 2 mortgage brokers for Bank of America, they're offering 30-year fixed mortgages. There are not any ARMs associated with this program. Now, I could be wrong. Please leave a comment in the comment section if that is incorrect. The second big difference is they are verifying credit and job status and income when people are applying to use this program. Now, I did almost a 30-minute video that talk about the different ways in which Bank of America looks at the applicant and how they get really in depth regarding some of the qualifications. Additionally, to people that are saying, hey, isn't this 2008 all over again? To you, I have to say, did you have any issue with the wealthy getting tax breaks under Trump? Did you have an issue with stimulus money or stimulus checks being given to millions of Americans? And if so, did you not receive any money? Did you give your money back? I just find it funny how us Americans find ways or reasons to dislike something when it applies to somebody else. To those people who are saying this is 2008 all over again and dislike this program because of that, I have a question for you. Did you also have an issue with the government forgiving PPP loans from millionaires and billionaires who could afford to pay them back, or even politicians who could afford to pay it back? Or do you just have a problem with people that are in unfortunate situations, whether due to themselves or somebody else, being able to take advantage of a program like this? Now let's talk about the third reason I hear people have when they talk negatively about this program. They say, well, I had to suffer. When I bought my first home, I had to save up, I had to sacrifice and have 20% down or 5% down. Everybody should have to do that. And to you, I say, or have a question, who hurt you? Just because you suffered, why should, in your mind, everybody else have to suffer? Personally, I had a very rough childhood, very rough upbringing. Because I suffered, should I want that for my kid? Should I want that for my neighbor? Should I want that for other Americans? Because I suffered. Because I suffered, everybody has to suffer? I don't believe that. I don't think that way. And to those people who do believe that, I'm going to just pray for you. And again, ask you, who hurt you? Why do you feel this way? And lastly, one of the major reasons why I hear people vehemently against this program is because they are calling it racist. They're saying, well, why do minorities get this opportunity? And to you, I say, you need to read the program and watch the video that I provided earlier, which broke everything down, because this program is available to everyone. Black, white, purple, Asian, it doesn't matter your race or religion. What this program is dependent on is the location of the property and if the person qualifies regarding their income. Now, hopefully I did not offend anyone, but I hear a lot of negativity regarding this program, and it's not anything new. There's been several programs that has been offered before 2008, since 2008, and there will be future ones just like this one. And I know several people, I have clients and friends and colleagues that have taken advantage of programs similar to this, and it allowed them to obtain home ownership and to have that firm foundation. In fact, one of my clients bought using NACA, which is similar to this program. It's a little bit of a deviation from this program. And they bought using NACA back in, I believe, 2012. And then they sold their home in 2019. And now they live in this beautiful, amazing home. And without NACA, they would not have been able to buy their first property, which was a solid home in a great neighborhood. And they definitely would not have been able to buy that property, sell that property, and afford this absolutely gorgeous home in an amazing neighborhood. So I know several people that have used programs similar to this and bettered not only themselves, but their families for generations to come. So when thinking about this program, do not be swayed by me or any naysayers. You look at it in depth and decide if this program is best and beneficial for you and your family moving forward. I hope this was helpful. I just wanted to address some of the common criticisms regarding the community affordable loan solution offered by Bank of America. And do not forget to like this video and share it with friends and colleagues, and consider subscribing to the channel. I'm Sir Ashley. I'll talk to you soon.